Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to CVS. These deals run from July the 6th until July the 13th. So please join me in some all digital deals. No need to clip any coupons from the newspaper, just using your phone. So you'll clip the coupons on your CVS app. We'll also be using the Ibotta app in this video. Now, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either pull it up in the store on your phone, or you can print it off before you leave to go to the store. Makes it really easy for you guys. Just check it out. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up a gift card. Now, what I did was I picked up the CVS gift card because I'm going to use this gift card like it's my money. So, you buy a $50 gift card, that's your first transaction, and you'll get $15 back in extra care bucks. So, you're really not spending any money at first because this is just going to be what you're going to use to roll over. So, getting that $15 back in extra care bucks, you're going to be using that. And of course, that $50 is what you're going to use to buy the items here in this transaction. So think of it as just you're getting $15 in extra care bucks for free off the jump. So before you do anything else, just do this first, get that CVS gift card. Now, the first things we're going to do is we're going to be getting Crest Toothpaste at $3.99. Now, you're going to be getting two items. So, the first thing we're getting is this Crest Toothpaste. And then, here in a moment, I'm going to show you we're going to be getting an Oral-B toothbrush as well. So, get this Crest Toothpaste. It's usually $5.79. It'll be $3.99 with the sale. There is a $2 coupon on the CVS app. That $2 coupon is going to bring it down to $1.99. So the next item you'll pick up in order to get those $5 extra care bucks is the Oral-B toothbrushes. I just got the one that was on sale for $3.99. It is like I said, $3.99, and then we have a $2 coupon on the CVS app, and you're also going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So total for both of these items at the register is going to cost you $3.98, but you're getting back $5 in extra care bucks. So this actually is going to be a moneymaker of $1.02, or a moneymaker of about 51 cents each on these two products. Now, I like to get these baby lips. I have a bunch of them, but these are great when I'm making like little gift bags or whatever. I'll stick a couple of these in there. But the baby lips, it is $5.29. Now, if you do this online, I believe it will be cheaper, but I go in the store for my items. So $5.29 for the baby lips. I'm going to pick up two of them. Your total for both of them is going to be $10.58. Now, on the CVS app, we have a $3 off any Maybelline products. But in addition to that, when you buy two of the Maybelline products, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So with the $3 store coupon and the $5 back in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $2.58, or $1.29 for the baby lips. But like I said, if you want to do this online, it can be cheaper. Not sure the math on that, but check it out. The Nivea Shave Lotion is a really good deal this week. It is $5.49. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total is going to be $10.98. We do not have a coupon for this, but we do have $7, which is a lot, in extra care bucks. So getting back $7 extra care bucks is going to leave you to pay $3.98, or $1.99 per container of shaving cream. Next up is the cocoa butter lotion. Now, I got the one that was $6.49. There's also like little sticks that are 7 something, but I wanted to get the cheapest ones. So $6.49. These are buy one get one 50% off. So buy one get one for 50% off is like saying you're paying $4.87. Getting two of them, your total is going to be $9.74 on these. There's no coupons on this deal, just some great extra care bucks. So you'll pay $9.74 at the register. You'll get back $6 in extra care bucks. So that's going to bring it down to $3.74 for the both of them, or $1.87 each. It's like every week I get that L'Oreal Elvive, there's always a deal on that, but I'm going to pick it up. So we're going to buy two of these for $10, so $5 each. So two for 10. Now there is a $3 coupon on the CVS app. That's going to bring your total down to $7. In addition to that, we're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. So with that $3 coupon, the $3 extra care bucks, and the sale, it's going to bring it down to $4 or $2 per item. I have more deals for you, but if you haven't already done so, make sure you like this video and comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you guys comment and also watch my videos all the way through to the end. Now, next up is the Colgate Total toothpaste. This toothpaste is $5.29. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total is going to be $10.58. There is a CVS coupon for $3 off when you buy two, and you'll also get back $5 in extra care bucks. So with that $3 coupon and that $5 extra care bucks, your total is going to be $2.58 or $1.29 each. Now, I was excited about this A&D ointment because we don't really get coupons and things on sales like, rash ointment. And this is always good to have. Now, this is the medicated rash ointment. It has a green label on it. It is $7.49 for this. There's no coupons on it, but we have a $5 in extra care bucks that's automatically going to come off. And we're going to be, so happy because we don't have to use coupons. We're just getting money back. However, there's also a $2.49 Ibotta rebate. So you'll submit that receipt to Ibotta. You'll also get back $5 extra care bucks. So it's going to make this A&D ointment absolutely free. All right, we have another no coupon needed deal on the St. Ives body wash. St. Ives used to be the best stuff back in the day. I used to have that face wash. So it is $5.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. It's pretty much like saying it's $4.35 for each one or $8.70 each. We do have a $4 extra care bucks when you buy two. So it's going to bring your total down to $4.70 or $2.35 per container of body wash. Softsoap body wash up next, $6.59 on that. Buy one, get one free is going to make it $4.95 each. Buying two is going to make it $9.90. There is a $4 coupon on Irish Spring or soft soap products. That will bring your total down at the register to $5.90. You're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. Getting back $2 extra care bucks will make your final total $3.90 or $1.95 per body wash. How I said earlier is we always get L'Oreal Elvive when we're couponing on Sundays at CVS, and the same goes for the Garnier Fructis. Fructis is actually $4.99. We're going to pick up two of them at $3.99. It is on sale. We're going to use that $3 coupon on the CVS app, bringing our total down to $4.98. There's also a $3 extra care bucks that we're going to receive back. So with the sale, the coupon, and the extra care bucks, it's going to make your total for both of the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners $1.98 or 99 cents per item. Now, we do not get sales and coupons on deodorant like we used to back in the day, but we got something decent here. This Degree deodorant is $6.49. Buy one, get one free. Oh, buy one, get one 50% off. Excuse me. It's going to be about $4.87 each. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total will be $9.74. There's a $3 coupon on the CVS app. That $3 coupon is going to bring your total down to $6.74. In addition to that, you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. Getting back $2 in extra care bucks and the sale and the coupon will make your total for the deodorants $4.74 or $2.37 per. Now, you may have seen that there is a deal going on right now with the banana boat, and that it is glitching for some where both of these coupons are showing up. That is not the case for me. Only one of these coupons came off, but it's on the banana boat after sun. Now, the banana boat after sun, I just didn't know if I should get this or not. I might take it back because I did pick it up. I don't really use this, but it is $8.99. It is buy one, get one 50% off. So it's like saying you're going to get them for $6.75 each. Picking up two of them, your total is $13.50. Now that $4 coupon is going to come off, and it's going to make your total registered $9.50. And then that $5 extra care bucks is going to come off, going to be given back to you. So with sell the $4 coupon and the $5 extra care bucks, it's going to make this after sun care $4.50 or $2.25 each. I always think you can never go wrong with band-aids. If I see band-aids on sale like this, I'm picking them up. So these are $3.79 for the CVS band-aids. These are the flexible fabric ones. I like these. I like the ones that are the like the, I call them the knuckle band-aids. I don't know if that's the right thing. But these are $3.79. You're going to buy two of them. Your total is $7.58. There is a great $5 extra care bucks you'll get back when you buy two. I just love this deal. So buying two, you'll get back $5 extra care bucks. Your total is going to be $2.58 for both of them, or $1.29 each. Great deal. Don't forget to pick this up. Now, this deal is on the Arm& Hammer Odor Blasters. You've heard me call these flavor crystals, but please do not eat them. I do get these for like $1.50, $2 at Publix a lot, but I thought this was an okay deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up three of these. They're $6.29 each. Your total is going to be $18.87. Now, this is a deal where if you buy one, you get two free. So getting two free is like saying you're getting $12.58 of product for free. So again, you're going to pick up three of them. You're going to pay for one at $6.29, but get the other two free. So essentially at $6.29, if you divide that by three, that's going to be about paying like $2.10 per container of the flavor blasters. I think that's a decent deal, really do. So my total for everything with like that buy one get one 50% off and all that was about $160. So $160 worth of product about, and I only paid $29. So $29 for $160 worth of product was well worth my trip to CVS today. Now please let me know your savings in the comments, and let me know if you made it to the end of this video, because it always makes me happy when you guys do. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.